In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archive items in Monday.com if you've ever accidentally removed a board or you just want to bring back something you archived a while ago. Knowing where to look can save you a lot of time and stress. Monday.com has a built-in archive area that keeps your deleted and archived boards safely stored, but it's not always obvious where to find it, especially if you're new to the platform. So let's walk through this slowly and clearly, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and you're on the main workspace screen. This is usually where you see your list of boards along the left side and your main content in the center. Now, draw your attention to the very top right corner of the screen. Up there, you should see your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a profile photo. This is the control center for many personal and account-related settings. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu can include various options such as your profile, notifications, and other personal settings. Among these options, you'll find an entry labeled Archive, or something very similar depending on your current interface language and any updates to the platform design. Click on the Archive option. This will take you to the Archive area, where Monday.com stores items that have been removed from active view. Here, you can usually see boards that were archived or deleted, along with some details like their names and when they were moved to the archive. From this section, you can review what's been stored away, and if the platform allows it in your plan, you can restore items back to your active workspace. This is especially useful if you cleaned up your workspace a bit too aggressively and need to bring a board back. A quick tip: get into the habit of checking the archive before assuming something is permanently gone. The archive is like a safety net, and using the profile icon as your entry point is the fastest way to reach it. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Archive, you can easily locate and manage your archived items in Monday.com.